Hi all, welcome to CodeGen Pro. Today we are going to install Visual Studio Code for SAP UI5 development. Let's see. Right. So for Visual Studio Code setup for UI5, so we need some of the prerequisites like Node.js setup, SAP UI5 CLI and Git. So we'll go step by step. First, we need to install Node.js. So for that, what we will do, first, if you have the Node.js already installed in your system, you can check by this command like node hyphen version. Let's do that. Open your command prompt. So node space hyphen version. Now you can see node is not recognized as internal or external command. So that means there is no Node.js installed in your machine. So now, we'll go and download that Node.js for Windows. Let's go to the browser. Node.js. Right there you can see this is the website for Node.js. Now here we can see the version 20.1.1 20.11.1, which is LTS, which is nothing but your latest version. So this is recommended for most of users. So let's click on this LTS version. So download, it has downloaded. All right, now once it has been downloaded, you just need to double click on this. So now it is preparing to install. Click on next, accept the terms and conditions, next. So leave the same, it is going to install on program files path, let it be default. So once you're done with your installation, click on finish. Now go back and open your command prompt, and this time run the same command, node space hyphen version. Let me reopen the command prompt. So there you can see Node.js is installed. The version, it is like 2011.1. So this is your latest version. You can also check npm version as well using npm hyphen version. Right, great. Now the npm version is like 10.2.4. So the Node.js installation in Windows 10 setup process is completed. Now we'll go for the next task. Let's go back to our PPT. So this part is done. Okay, so once after Node.js installation done, check for node and npm versions. We did that. To develop UEFI applications, like we need UEFI tooling in terms of UEFI CLI is required. So for developing SAP UEFI applications, what we need UEFI CLI, right? UEFI command line interface. CLI means command line interface. So for this, we need to install some node packages. For this, we need to run this npm install hyphen global @UEFI/CLI. So we need to install this node module package. So what I am doing, I'm just running this command. So go back to your command prompt and just clear. Right, So npm install hyphen global @UEFI CLI. Run this command. Good. Now you can see this added 583 packages. So that means like you successfully install this module. So now if you want to verify this UEFI installation, then the same, you need to run this command UEFI hyphen followed by version. Let's try this. There it is. You can see 3.9.1. This is your SAP UEFI version. Great. Now the next thing is like, so far you have installed Windows and SAP UEFI CLI interface. The next thing is like you need to install the Git as well. So let's do that. So for installation of Git in your Windows machine, you just go to this URL, just copy this URL and paste in browser. So this will let's copy. Okay, yeah. Now you can see download for Windows. So based upon your version, like whether it is 64 or 30-bit, just 32, just choose your relevant link and click on that particular link for download. So once after download, then just double click on that downloaded version. Yes. Next. Right, completing the Git setup wizard, click on finish. So you are done with your Git installation. So if you want to check the same like Git version, go and check command called git hyphen version. So let us close this. There it is. Now you can see the Git is also installed on your machine. Right, now it's time to download Visual Studio Code for your Windows 10. So now what we will do, we'll go and download the Visual Studio Code, or else you can see code.visual studio code. So this is the website where you can download Visual Studio Code for Windows. Just there you can see download for Windows. Just click on this. Now it will get started the download process. Double click on this. I accept the agreement. Next. Install. Right, so this completes your Visual Studio Code setup. Click on finish. So there it is. Now you can see Visual Studio Code. So these, if you want, you can browse the color themes, what you like, but I'm going with the default mode only. Okay, so let's go for next step. Now once you downloaded and set up this Visual Studio Code, then what we need to do, we need to install this SAP Fiori Tools extension pack. So if you want more information on this extension pack, so this is the URL where you can go and check. So all this information will be provided in a description, no worries. So let me copy. So there you can see SAP Fiori Tools, which is nothing but your extension pack. Under this, what extensions you will get, like Application Wizard, SAP Fiori Tools, Application Modeler, and Guide Development, Service Modeler, XML Annotation Language Server. So all these, like UFI Language Assistant, XML Toolkit. So all these extension packs are available in this SAP Fiori Tools. So now what we will do, go back to your Visual Studio Code, and there you can find this area called as extension, where you can see like 3 squares. So now once you click on this extension area, there you can see this widget. So in this search, you just start typing SAP Fiori Tools. Now you can see here SAP Fiori Tools extension pack. Just click on this. Now this is a pack which we need to install, like SAP Fiori Tools extension pack, and the version is like 1.12.4, and there you can see the install button. Just click on the install button. Now if you see this, all these additional packages are extensions are already started installing. Alright, the installation process is completed. SAP Fiori Tools extension pack installation process is completed. Now you can see XML Toolkit, Application Wizard, right? SAP Fiori Tools XML annotations, Application Modeler, Guided Development, Service Modeler, and UFI Language Assistant as well, right? Great. Now if I go back and I'm just closing this. So now we'll try to open that application generator. So for this, go to the command prompt, I mean the Visual Studio command prompt, what I'm talking about. Now start typing. I'm not finding any commands. Okay, so just select this show and run commands. Okay, cool. So now in this, just select as, I mean type as Fiori : now open application. There it is, open application generator. Just select this command. So now right, so now if any missing extension packages, it will start installing this. So once after successful installation, there you can see the template wizards. Now you can see a basic UI5 page, custom page, list report, all your 4 plans like overview page, analytical list page, form entry, object, work list. So this is how you need to set up SAP, I mean Visual Studio Code for SAP UI5 development. So thank you guys. Please do subscribe CodeGen Pro. In the next video, like we'll see SAP UI5 development. Thank you.